Saint Nicholas. Okay, go ahead.
Yeah, that's me. He spelled
Play
it
it.
wrong. He spelled it wrong. It's okay.
Okay, go ahead. Good job, guys.
3 stars. 3 stars.
Okay, bye. See you next time. What do you say? Like?
And subscribe.
Yeah, like and subscribe for more piano. Bye.
Bye.
What do you say at the end? What did you say in the last one?
Mia
Mia
out.